Well, yesterday was a holiday, so it was a half day. I did not trade. Today coming in, volume is supposed to be back. Pretty slow, choppy. Found 2 trades to take. Ended up at break even and a loser. Both trades in the money right away. Just not getting fully to my targets before kind of flipping. Kept risk really tight today. Just understanding that the markets are not quite there. It is what it is. Hopefully we get more volatility in the coming days. And let's go ahead and recap the trades from today's live stream, which does happen every morning at 8:30 a.m. Central Time on my main channel, Trades by Matt. Let's dive into it. Yo, good morning. Welcome. Happy Tuesday. That feels like a Monday. Yesterday was the holiday here in the United States. We had Memorial Day. If you're watching, thank you for your service. If you served, or if you continue to serve our community, thank you. Yesterday was a holiday. No stream. No trades. Nasdaq. We had a little bit of an update yesterday, kind of a slow grind update during the half day situation, Sunday night and the half day yesterday. So yeah, I'm not going to put a ton of value into yesterday's value area just because volume was cut in, you know, we had a half day, holiday, etc. I'll still note it just because why not? We got VWAP and value area high at 930. Yesterday's, what is this? Overnight lows and yesterday's point of control at 885. Value area low 75. But really just gonna be watching the structure. If we're above VWAP, we're above value area high, we get above 980. I mean, it's definitely slow grind to the upside, in my opinion, just as we kind of are back in that all-time high range. But below it, if we can get below the overnight lows, I think that'll be a good thing as well. I'll mostly play the overnight highs, overnight lows today. So that's the general plan for me. Still concentrating my 20 accounts. I'm still waiting on approval with a lot of other people. My account balances are currently at 61,458. Peak balance high, I think you can still see this, yeah. This was before my blow up day, was just shy of 64,000. So I'm still 2,500 bucks off or something, whatever that is, whatever the math is there. But we are not in a rush to get it all back, just grinding away, being disciplined, and one day at a time. Yeah. Still haven't been paid. Wow. Well, here's the thing, guys. It's still in the FAQ window. Like, we are still in the account window. I got a lot of people DMing me. It's kind of emotionally exhausting, honestly, because I just keep saying the same thing to every single person. I don't care until after the window is done. After the window's done, I'll submit a ticket just like everybody else will. But I think there's a lot of things coming that will make the process faster. They just have a metric shite ton of people getting paid out. All right, markets are opening in 30 seconds. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. Let's have a day. Don't force anything. Let things come to you. Take A+ setups. News-wise, I forgot to cover that. News-wise, we've got consumer confidence at 9 o'clock. That's basically it. 10:30 to noon might have a little movement as well. But for the stream, 9 o'clock will be the news. Markets are open. They're definitely gonna get some new staff in next time. Yeah, I think it's just been like biggest month after biggest month after biggest month. People are just very and rightfully so. People just get on people's first payouts, they get stressed out of their mind. They want it now, which I get. So all right, nice little push, nice little smack. 30 points up, 30 points down. Well, 20 points up, 30 points down. All right, and it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. All right, and the dad joke for the day. We got yesterday's dad joke coming up first, Monday, May 27th. The bank keeps calling me to give me compliments. They say, I have an outstanding balance. I love that one. The second one's not as good, in my opinion. Anyway, I should not have said that prior to reading it. May 28th, Tuesday. What piece on the playground is always exhausted? The tire swing. The first one was great, though. Both bank jokes have been winners. Yeah, I agree. All right, and I have 5 more minutes till I'm green lighted to trade. If you didn't know, I like to wait the first 5 minutes, or first 15 minutes, excuse me. Really just to kind of let the market shake out. I do it for days where we have incredible high volatility. Some days we don't have that, and I realistically could have traded in the first 15 minutes, but a rule is a rule, and I like to hold myself accountable for it. So I don't trade the first 15 minutes. Why, Matt? Why do you not trade the first 15 minutes? Because I've gotten screwed up plenty of times very early in the day, first 5, 10, 15 minutes of the day, in the weird effery that happens on on high volatility opens that have killed my day too early when I could have just been patient and not traded. And so the upside to downside risk reward for me trading the open like that is just not there for me. I'd rather wait a little bit, let everything cool down a little bit, and take more high probability setups. All right. Through yesterday's close, we are now 70 points off the top to bottom. 60 points off top to bottom. And I am also green lighted to trade. So I'm good to go here. If I see something worth taking, I will take it. I am copy trading my 20 Apex accounts, my 20 50K Apex accounts. Today is day 67 of trading those accounts. I'm on 67 days in the funded accounts right now. Little float up, still not looking great yet. I like the continued selling, probably. 50 psych level right now. See if we can float through some liquidity here. But it might just slap it off. If we can get through 50, watching, 75. Yesterday's close, kind of an interesting spot for a potential short, but 5-minute structure doesn't necessarily agree with that. That's really just like 1-minute structure. We'll see. And again, of course, it depends on what type of buying we have going on here. Something like that would be pretty interesting. That's close enough, in my opinion. For the prior low, close to the close, that 75 level that I was talking about. I think I was just off. What did we stop at? We stopped at 60, 63 or whatever. I had at 68. I think I just missed it by 5 points. That's fine. On to the next. All right. Nice little sweep. Kick it up, huh? I know this is middle of the range. I'm still somewhat interested in it. If we can push it for a first test. I'd prefer to do it this candle and then slap off it as opposed to doing it the next candle, ideally. Oh, to the wick. I gotta take it off here. I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick, but that's I think I missed it by like literally a tick or two. I ended up taking a break even there. I thought for a second we might get it, but I have to take the break even there on the dick for a tick. I just missed my fill just barely, like literally by like a tick. It's kind of annoying, but that's the best trade management that I can do there. I'm happy with the entry. We retested it one time and then it goes down for my 10-point fill. It just like, it stops one tick, or it was a point, maybe a point and a half or less. It was definitely less than a point. I think. I thought it was at a tick, maybe 2. But it is what it is. I can't really do, there's going to be trades like that. I have to just manage it the best I can. And in that case, if it drops within, we'll just call it sub 1 point. If it drops within 1 sub point of filling me out and immediately zaps it, I have to just immediately kill the trade. I've gotten stuck in a trade too many times that just pumps out of that, and I'm not going to let that happen. So I essentially take a break even there, but a break even's better than getting freaking trucked through. I just wanted the full 10 points, obviously. But overall, I'm happy with the entry, happy with the way I managed it, and on to the next, you know. So that's my $20 per account. A few slippage there. $3.95. On to the next. I think I might take the wick test here. It's a little kind of middle of the range. I'm still kind of interested in it. Got a little hammer on the 1 minute. Where does that put us at? 900. 900 push back into the 20s. Yeah, I kind of like it. I don't think I get filled though. I'll be taking that off. I don't like a wick test this deep. All right, chat. Vibe check. How's it going? You making money? You losing money? If you haven't, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Let's get to 1,000. And then vibe check is if you're making money or if you're losing money. We got a 5-minute doji here. I imagine we roll over off of this a little bit. We still got some sellers. A retest of 20. Be pretty interesting to me. IB is set. What are you doing that you like? What are you not doing that you like? Green, you red, all the things. Answer away. We still got juice above, so I'm inclined to think that we still rotate higher at some point, but with this chop that we're currently experiencing, I'll play the 5-minute doji. Oh, break the prior low. Break 13. I think I get filled out. Not doing it yet. Trying. Little double bottom at 13 so far. Hi. How you doing? Great. Okay, I'll be in a little bit. Really would like to see us crack 13. Have the sellers continue in. Little 1 minute hammer might push us a little bit. Got top of the hour coming up as well in a couple minutes. A little bit of buyers trying to push up. I probably get stopped out here, I think. I really am oops. I'm kind of shocked that the double bottom held at 13. I feel like we probably repair that in the next couple candles, but I might be stopped out of it before that happens. We'll see. Stopped out. All right. Hunting that liquidity higher. IB coming into play. I was up a little bit, and we never flushed it. I think I was down about or up about 120 to 140, and now I'm down 120 on the day. I think we're gonna get some better movement at 10:30 and at noon with bills. 2-year and 5-year. 10:30 and at and noon. I think we get better movement, but I think I'm gonna call it here.